Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm here with another Stickii Happy Mail. Full disclaimer, as you know, I am a Stickii ambassador, which means you can save $5 off your first subscription with Stickii Club using the code StrudelsDoodles. I will leave the link and the code below, so if you want to check them out, you can. Today I'm here to unbox a pop pack. Before I forget, it is called Thirsty. I have already opened the package, but I haven't gone through it so that I can show you my first reactions. This was sent to me free because I am an ambassador, so yeah, just disclaiming that here, there and there, but all my opinions are my own. If I don't like something, I will tell you. So, this is the pop pack. Now, I am currently subscribed just to the cute pack, and depending on what the theme is each month, because you can chop and change, there's three, there's cute, vintage and pop. You can chop change, you can have all three if you want, you can have two, you can have one, whatever you like. I have never actually tried a pop pack yet, so for my ambassadorship I decided to pick a pop pack just to see what it was like, and Thirsty was the theme, so let's delve into it. As always, you get the pocket, which slots into your ring dividers, whatever kind of like storage system you want to try. I have this one, which is a 6 but 3 ring divider. Oh my god, I can't get my words out. And they all just slot in there like so. As always, you get your corner to put at the bottom so that you can, when you're flicking through, you know what's what. This month we have, this is a pass kit. I can't remember without looking. Let me just check. Thirsty. It is August 2022 pop pack, and you can still buy it for $17. Obviously, my discount code, if you wanted to buy that along with your first subscription, you will still get $5 off. So, a normal subscription is $12, by the way. I just thought I'd say that. So, this month we have a little memo pad with some coffee cups. I really like this, and I like the little foil detail there, and I love the fact that this has a tattoo on his hand, because although it's not the same, I do. So yeah, then in the other pocket we have a giant vinyl cupcake. I nearly said cup. Now I really like this. The colours are lush. And it's got foil, and it's like it's a matte vinyl, so that's really nice. That would be really good in my journaling when I get my coffees. I'm not going to get that back in that way. So then in the back pocket, because you get a big back pocket, we have, I'm going to count these off camera, 1 2 3 4 4 oh no, hang on, I can't count. 1 2 3 4, you could call that 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 sheets of stickers, which actually is 8, but I'll show you why. So the first one we have is this one, and it's got like a holographic overlay on it, which you can't really tell. Well, you can sort of. It's like a glossy overlay, and we've got like different people, and these remind me of a program I used to watch. Futurama? No, Daria. I think it was Daria. Is it Daria? If you can remember, please let me know. But she just reminds me of it, and I just, yeah. So these are all like different girls drinking stuff. So the second sheet we have is this one, and this is by Ascodraws, and I really love these. They are so cute. I am totally here for the boba tea things, and the like the donut shake. I've never had boba tea. I don't know. Has it got tea in it? Is it nice? I don't know. If you've had it, please let me know what you think of it and what it tastes like and what you recommend. I don't like tea, so yeah. But I really like these, and I think they would be good in my journal for hydration charts and stuff. Now this sheet I really like, because these are a fair size. They're like credit card sized, and I think they would be perfect for like big journaling, especially in my A5 Hobonichi. So these are great. Then this is why I picked this kit, because I love all the different cups. This mushroom is just adorable. I just really like these, and they've got foily effects on them as well. Really nice. I'll show you that one last. Then we have these like vending machines that I presume are Japanese, because I know that you can get like different vending machines like this in Japan. And I just really, really like the different designs of the bottles and different things, and ramen. I've never had ramen, so maybe I could have that this year. Then this sheet is quite really different compared to the rest of them. And it's monochrome, but this has got rose gold foiling on it, and I really like that. And I think it is because it's got the cat and obviously coffee. It's just me. So I might use that in like a monochrome spread. Then we have this sheet, which is just all different drinks again. Obviously, it's a running theme. It's called Thirsty for a reason. I really need a drink now. But I love the fact that this is like bendy. That would be super cool, just to put that you'd like had a good night out. So yeah. And then finally this sheet. Now this sheet actually comes in two, and it's folded in half, and I really love the fact that this is super long. Now it is as long as a standard sheet, and it is two sheets together, and it's just washy. It's just cool. I am going to love using these because I just love all the different designs, especially this little smiley face here. You could chop them out, you could cut them out so they're in circles, or you could chop them into squares. You could even use them at the bottom of your pages or whatever you like. But I have some good ideas for this page. So yeah, that's the Thirsty kit, which is still available as a back past catalogue kit. And you can grab that on the website. But if you wanted to subscribe to a pop pack, this is the kind of aesthetic that you will get. Every month is different, and obviously on the front of the website you can get sneaks and peeks to see what's included, and on their Instagram. Don't forget to use my code so you get $5 off. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll be back with some more sticky mail very, very soon. Take care. Ta-ra!